Hello dear friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video I will work on if your system is running very slow, there is huge lag in the machine, so if the performance of your computer is very bad. If that's so, I tell you the powerful ways without installing any third-party applications. So follow all the steps with all your patience you have. So before starting, please subscribe my channel and hit the like for my support. And I'm sure after this, your computer will be like a new machine. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open the run window. We can right click on start menu and select run from here. And also we can window key plus R, the run window will appear like this for us. So here we need to type temp and hit enter or press OK. Okay friends, here we have the files that is not necessary for us. So I mean, when we are working on other programs or any other works, so the system will create these files for us, but these are not necessary or these are not important for our computer. So click on any of these files and Control plus A for select all, and after that you need to delete all these files, and be careful that you have to use shift plus delete because you want to delete it permanently. Shift plus delete. And so I'm not using these computers and I have less files, so maybe you have like 1000 files, so it's good to delete all these files. And maybe some of these files can be deleted, or so that's fine. Yeah, and I will close this window. So next step is the same. We open run window, and this time I type %temp%. So this process is also the same. Click on any file and Control A and Shift delete. That's it. Yeah, like the previous, you need to escape these files. So let's go. Yeah. Next step. Again, we open run, and here we need to type inetcpl.cpl. So friends, if you have slow browser, this process will help you for the slow browser. So now we go to connections. After that, LAN settings. Make sure the proxy is not thick and automatically detect setting is marked here. And if that's set, you just need to click on OK. Yeah, that's fine. So if this is marked, you can unmark it and mark this one. So click on OK, and that's it. Again, you open run window and the same inetcpl.cpl. This time advanced, and after that restore advanced settings. So friends, in this option you need to download all your information from the browser. After that, then you can restore advanced settings, because sometimes cookies corrupted or it's not working well. You need to do this, and before that you need to download all the data that you have in your browser. So after that, click on apply and OK. That's it. So let's go for the next step. Again, we open run window, and this time we type prefetch. it's already here, and hit enter. Here it needs permission. Click on continue. After that, we click on any files, and after that Control 8 to select all, and make sure you shift delete these all files. As I told you, you need to delete these files. It's okay. Make sure you delete all these files and shift delete. It's it. So friends, in this step I will talk about startup programs. When you just on your computer and many programs comes right away, it's running on the background, and it's opening the programs for you, but these are those programs that you don't need them. So even you need them, it's better that you go yourself and open it, and that's it. So how we can disable those programs? I see many users and that they are working on their computers and they have many startup, and they even don't need them to have it on a startup. So let's go. Task manager, startup apps. So friends, don't forget that here we have more programs for it's for our Windows. Don't forget to do not disable them. So for example, if you want to disable your apps, like maybe let's for example, we don't need WhatsApp, it's already disabled. But the way is like this: make the right click and only click disable, that's it. So as this is already disabled, it shows enable. Yeah, so that's it for this. And once you are done, just restart your PC. So friends, and this step, if you have viruses in your PC, or you have some files that's it's the first time that you see it and those are all viruses, so I just recommend to applications that you install it. It's absolutely free, and make sure you download the organic, not the ads. So let's open our browser. So here we can type, like, the first one is millibytes. I told you make sure you downloaded organic, not the ads. So friends, from here you can free download it, and after that install it, and after that scan and remove all the viruses. And when it's done from other remove program, you just need to remove this app. So next one is super anti-spyware. So this is also free. You can click on this link and download free. So after that, the same, you need to download it and install it. After that, scan and remove all the viruses. After that, don't forget to remove it from your computer, and that's it. So friends, today we did many process to make our PC faster than earlier. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like and share it with your friends, with your family. Until next video, have a good day. Bye bye.